Good morning, fam. Imagine waking up with the soft morning light around you. A moment filled with calm and quiet. But there's a stiffness left over from sleep. A heaviness you don't need to carry into today. Let's take 5 minutes to stretch, release, and prepare our bodies to start strong. This is your time, your movement. Let's hit the mat. Stand tall, feet grounded beneath you. Now exhale as you fold forward from the hips, letting gravity pull you down gently. Let your head hang heavy, shoulders relaxed as your fingertips reach toward your toes. With each breath, feel the stretch move through your hamstrings and lower back, releasing the weight of the night. Allow the tension to melt away. Each breath loosening your body bit by bit, making space for the energy to flow freely. Stay folded over, and now begin a gentle side-to-side sweep with your hands, reaching toward each foot. Feel each motion as a gentle wave, inviting a deeper release through your lower back, hamstrings, and calves. With each sweep, imagine brushing away any lingering stiffness, like a breeze moving through your muscles. This dynamic stretch brings life to your legs and back, creating a natural rhythm. Each movement inviting more flexibility and ease. In a squatted position, let your opposite knee fold gently to the opposite foot, then the other, feeling a deep rotation in your hips. Each turn loosens the deep muscles, bringing a feeling of lightness and freedom. Move smoothly, as if your hips are finding their natural rhythm. This movement opens up tight spots, creating balance and flexibility that will carry you into your day. Sink back into child's pose, arms reaching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Take a deep breath in, feeling the support of the ground beneath you. This is a place of calm, grounding you, connecting you with your breath. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension in your back, shoulders, and hips. Feel the stretch deepen, letting calm and clarity fill your body, preparing you for the next step. Slide forward onto your belly, hands under your shoulders. Press up into Cobra, lifting your chest and opening your heart to the morning light. Feel the gentle stretch move down your spine, releasing your chest and shoulders. Let each breath fill you with calm energy. Each exhale, easing any tension in your back. Hold this pose, letting the openness settle into your body as you prepare to rise. Return to child's pose, taking a grounding breath. Then press forward into Cobra, lifting your chest toward the sky. Flow between these two, feeling each rise as a wave of strength. Each return to child's pose grounding you. This movement creates a rhythm, filling you with energy as you rise, bringing calm as you lower. Let each breath move you forward, connecting with the day's strength and clarity. Press up into downward dog, feeling your heels press down. lengthening your spine. Now flow forward, lowering your hips and lifting into cobra, stretching through the front of your body. Repeat this, downward dog to cobra, each transition loosening and warming your muscles. Feel the energy rising, a sense of readiness building as you flow. And there it is, fam. 5 minutes of release, of grounding, and of setting a powerful tone for the day. Imagine how strong you feel if you carry this energy forward. Join me for a full workout, or take a moment with the meditation to hold on to this calm. Let's make today incredible. See you in the next session. Let's go!